What a beautiful day to begin with. Thank you so much for being with us. And today I'm going to review the second season of Love Alarm. So before moving further, let's review or recap the first season, what the season is all about. So it's taken from the webtoon series, has been there for almost 6 years, and the good thing is that people, why it is very closer to people, because we are all in a digital world, and that's why this app is the main theme that they have come up with. So there is an Love Alarm app, and it was created by the developer, and he's a fictitious or anonymous, and nobody could know that who this developer is. So what happens that this developer has made an app that shows that within the specific radius, those people who likes you, they will just click, and then you can create it's a dating app, but it's very good. So it's just like an app that find the mutual feelings. So now the story revolves around the students. So the main students are Sunho, Kim Jojo, and Lee Hung. Sunho is a guy who is a model, and he returned from America. So it is from the first season that I am telling it, and he was swept away from Korea because his parents, they didn't wanted him to be very closer because they cannot focus on their financial undertakings that they are doing it. Literally, her mother was always rude to him, and he was sent to America. Now he returned, and he is going into the same school where this developer has made an app, and there are other protagonists over there also. And now, because during this childhood, he was always felt lonely, and he was away most of the time from his parents. So there was a guy who was always around him, and this is the one thing that you have to understand, that he promised with him through thick and thin, he will always be around him, protect him, and it happened in the first season. You will really witness it, what happened and what is the mistake he made it. And what happened is that Lee Young is a very nice, reserved kind of guy, and he knows that what his status is, and he didn't forget. His mother is working in Sunho family as a maid and caregiver or whatever it is. And during that childhood phase, they were very closer to each other. That created a big bond of brothers. Will this bond of brothers will be under great threat, and who is the great threat, and what will happen is all about Love's Alarm. So what happened is, there is another girl, Kim Jojo. She is from Jeju Island. Her parents lost their lives, and she has to be blamed. That's what her aunt thinks and her daughter thinks. So now she has to share the room and everything with them, and she is indebted to that family, and she has to pay that by working overtime, skipping her meals, and just trying her level best to at least stay humble, kind, and just be swept with the wave of life. So this is very closer to our hearts. And why? Because we felt somewhere we are always isolated from our people because of the barriers that they have created. And now her sister, she is very rude, and she is also being rude to the guy his name is Dukku, and he is the hidden developer, or he is the developer, but he just kept himself anonymous because he just wanted to just feel how the people are feeling. So some people are just reserved like this, but the girl he falls for, she is a cousin of Kim Jojo, the one she's living with, and she's always rude to him. So in the first season, you will see that how she is behaving with him, and in the second season, you will see what happens. So we will talk about it all as well. So Dukku is always this is a dilemma of our society, that we always look about the status, things, or the people that do, and we don't value people for whatever they are, even if they are. In the love triangle, it always happens that the one who loves you, we never care about it, and one we fall for, he never care about us also. So it's always different situation, and this does it happen. In the first season, that what happens is, Sunho model comes back to Korea, and he wanted to meet his friend or brother, so because they are very close. And while he's following him, he found out that he's working at the restaurant, and he's behind a girl. So that's how he interacts with that girl for the very first time. But his feelings getting derived to that girl because he thinks that whatever my friend will select, definitely that is the best thing in the world. And moreover thing is he just wanted to come, let him to come out of that bubble that he has created it about a status or anything. He said just be whatever you are. But you will see during this time their bond is has some rifts and cracks, and you will really watch in the first season and you will really enjoy it what happens there. So before he makes the move, he keeps on asking the Sun-Ho keeps on asking is Lee Hong that are you really interested in that gun? If not, then I'm going to be the first one, and let's see who will get her. And this time his feelings were totally different, and that was the beautiful thing that his friend felt it, and he said. So it is a great sacrifice overall. He was always around the girl, but at least now he's seeing that his friend gets some kind of emotional feelings with someone very sincere. He has a shoulder to lean upon. He has some hand to hold, and he just wanted to sacrifice things. And overall, in this first season, you will see that the mothers have created a very harsh environment for the children. Whether it is a mother of Sun-Ho or whether it's a mother of what is that name, Kim Jojo's cousin's mother. So you can see that they just don't let their children to mingle very nicely with other people, and they didn't garnish their behaviors and with the love especially. So that was thing that you will really see in the first season. So in the first season, what happens is Doku just vanished from the scene, and he has a very good bond between Kim Jojo and Doku. They were sharing their situation because somehow, since he is in love with her cousin, so they have created some kind of environment, and you will really learn there are many things that they have talked about the app. And she is a graphic designer also, and her posts have always mystery messages, and you will see that what happens, why the people died, and what happens, and who was the one who was there. It will be unfolded in the second season. So let's talk about the second season thing. Hoping this video is just getting a bit lengthy, but I hope you will really like it. In the second season, now what happens, they have already grown up. They are in the second phase of their life, and now in the first season there are some incidents that happen that now Sun-Ho and Kim Jojo, they have to go through all the peer pressure. Will they be able to bear that one? What was the reason that they broke their relationship? And now there comes Lee Hyun. What about his bond? Is it getting more stronger, or the rift will take him away and he will move away from his friend? And what are the choices that he is going to make? And it's all about that. So during this time they will search about different things that are happening in the app, and there is someone who just came and said that he is claiming to be the Doku, and there are second updates that have come, and all these people are about that what is going to happen. And the other thing is also that now Kim Jojo's cousin, in the first season you have seen that she was very rude. She was enthusiastic about being a dancer group or whatever she wanted to do it, but all these things with the pride and ego will not take her to the right step of the ladder. Will she go up and she will come down? Will she be a vlogger, a successful vlogger or not? That is what she wanted to do it. And now what is her status in that circle of Love Alarm app, and what are the things that she has to go through, why she has taken money from Kim Jojo, why she steal, and what her mother has to say right now. Will she be able to bear all these things? It's all about the second season, and you will see what is going on there, and I hope you will really enjoy it. It's a very bit lengthy and video, but I hope you will really like the things that are happening. So the things that we have to take away with us is that always be kind to people, because every person is fighting a battle, you never know it. So you have to be very kind to people, whatever they do, whatever they need a space in our life. And overall I believe that we should always cherish and be kind to all the people. Their existence around us matters the most. So kindly like, share, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more notifications. Thank you so much for bearing me. And overall, do watch it, and kindly subscribe and recommend any other series that I should watch it. And hopefully, with the passage of time, things changes, and time is the best healer. Have a great weekend. Bye bye.